Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how an appraiser can request for an reassignment of an appraisal order, or if an assign of an appraisal, or if an appraisal order is reassigned to any other appraiser. So, how it is informed to that specific appraiser. So, for this, we have a specific appraisal order that is acceptance needed. So it's in progress and the acceptance is needed. Basically, we have not agreed to this assignment. So I will click on accept assignment, and there are different options as well, and there are different scenarios, and we have different separate videos for all of these. So I accept this assignment, and now I need to do the inspection. So the first case is that when I request for a reassignment of an appraiser. So I will do is that I will click for I will select an inspection appointment. I will select the time for the inspection and define the reason. Or I just click on this button that says on hold, and you feel like that after having conversation with them, or like after you visited the site, or before you visited the site, you feel like this assignment is I can't do this, or there's some personal reasons or some issues or something, and you want to put this on hold, that reassignment is needed for this specific appraisal order, and you confirm it. So when it's confirmed, so the appraisal order goes on hold and it will do a reassignment. So what happens in that case? As you can see for right now, this case is on hold. I can see the documents, inspection, and everything. So as you can see now, this was that appraisal order we were working on, and it says that it is reassigned. When you click on this appraisal order, you are not allowed to do any activities. As says that is no longer available because the assignment revoked. This order has been reassigned or unassigned from you. You no longer have active access to its details, property attachments, or fee configurations. Your timeline visibility has been frozen at the point of unassignment. So basically, now you can't perform any activity. This is the case where you put it on hold or you wanted a reassignment. It's a case that an appraiser has accepted an assignment and at any point it is reassigned to any other user. For example, this is a case where it has been assigned, and when I go and click on this inspection and not this appraisal order, we have an reassignment by an appraisal order, basically another order, and we need an acceptance for it. So we accept this assignment, and we are agreed with everything, and we accept and continue. Simply, what happens now? I'm going to do an inspection. So I am just going to schedule an inspection for a specific date and time, and defining the reason, and when the inspection has been scheduled, as you can see, 7 minutes are left, and there is a reassignment of this. Okay, you can see that the assignment has been revoked because it is reassigned and it is now assigned to someone else. So this is how you are informed about a reassignment of an appraiser order, that if a new appraisal is assigned, so it will be defined to you, and if it's reassigned, so you will get a notification or an email. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.